Welcome to Mr. Trivia's quiz show, Lightning Edition. Here you will test yourself against 5 interesting questions served with cool related facts, so that you will be the smart guy when you meet your friends next time. If you're ambitious and want to learn a bonus fun fact about the age of the universe, make sure to stay around until the end of the quiz. Let's get to it. Question 1. Who is thought to have discovered Americas the longest before Columbus? Was it Amerigo Vespucci, Leif Erikson, Marco Polo, or maybe ancient Egyptians? Leif Erikson, also known as Leif the Lucky, lived around 1000 AD. According to the sagas of Icelanders, he established a settlement in Vinland, which is believed to be North America. The hit anime series Vinland Saga was to some extent based on his life. Question 2. What is acrophobia? Is it maybe the fear of water, the fear of spiders, the fear of odd numbers, or the fear of heights? Acrophobia is the fear of heights. It derives from the Greek akron, meaning summit. Approximately 2 to 5% of the population has this phobia. There is a milder version called visual height intolerance, which around 1/3 of people may have. Question 3. How is cocaine made? Is it synthesized in a lab, made of coca leaves, synthesized from banana leaves, or brewed out of tree sap? You can synthesize it in the laboratory, but it's so complex and expensive that nobody really bothers. Normally, the coca leaves are soaked in gasoline and then drained. Whatever's left gets dried and dissolved, and then again to get the cocaine. Question 4. What is the surgery of separating the frontal lobe called? Is it called the callosotomy, the hemisection, trepanation, or lobotomy? Lobotomy is a discredited treatment of epilepsy and other disorders such as depression or homosexualism from around 1950. It did help at the low cost of a person's personality and intellect by reducing the complexity of psychic life. Tens of thousands of people had this surgery, even though it had a 5% mortality rate and it left the people with many impairments. Question 5. What causes muscle soreness? Is it lactic acid buildup, micro-tearing, inflammation, or maybe glycogen depletion? Choose 2. It's a common misconception that lactic acid buildup is the leading cause of muscle soreness. The answer is much simpler. You tear down your muscles and the inflammation becomes a signal for the body to take care of it. I believed that myth was true until I researched it. Good job for reaching the end. Here's the bonus fact. The current estimate for the age of the universe is around 13.8 billion years. Everybody and their mother knows that there was probably a big bang at some point, and the universe has been expanding since then. We can calculate the age thanks to something called the Doppler effect. Look it up. Pretty cool stuff. But other than that, what massively influences the numbers is dark matter, a strange hypothesized substance making out as much as 95% of the universe. And we don't know what it is and how it really behaves. We only know that it exists, because if there was only empty space in space between the planets, then gravity math wouldn't math. If you learned something, stay tuned for the next quiz, where you will have the opportunity to know a bit more about forensics and the binary code, among other things. It will be far easier to see the next one if you are subscribed, really. If your curiosity wasn't satisfied, you can check out some of my longer content and see if you like that style as well. Thank you for watching, keep being curious, and say thank you to somebody today. Who knows, it might make their day. See you in the next quiz show. Bye bye.